bright and early on Jordan 66. Remember last time we found a coolant leak, which you can see has been continually spraying all over our nice pretty valve cover. Yeah, so we're going to be pulling our radiator and then going from there with our cooling system upgrades. Definitely going to put our new radiator, which is aluminum, with a fan shroud, and we're going to check and see if swap that fan out for a 5-blade unit. Put a new water pump on. We're going to be busy. Won't get it all done today, but we will get close, that's for sure. We gotta clean this baby up too before we... Poor thing. I'm glad we're changing this water pump. That's not good. Bearing bad. Alright, so we got our radiator removed. Woohoo. That's done. Problem solved. Now you can really see that bearing issue. So I'm going to take the fan off, undo the belt here, and we'll get this pump off too. Alright, got our water pump unbolted, got our thermostat out. Really old 192. So that's going bye-bye, because we're going to put a fail-safe 160 in. This is a desert car. Gotta stay cool. Right, so here's the old water pump, just pulled. Cast iron. Yucky, yucky, yucky. I mean, not that it's a bad thing, but it does have a bearing that's going out. Open style impeller. And then here's our new one, which is aluminum. Hub's a little wider. This is a GMB. It's got a semi-open style impeller. So we're definitely moving on up. Moving on up. Moving on up. Deluxe apartment. Whatever. You know the song. New radiator and old radiator. Old radiator is a 3-row copper brass. Note its thickness. Now over here we have cold case. Note its thickness. All aluminum. Very nice. Worth every cent. Cap off a second. Note, instead of 3 half-inch rows like the original, this has 2 1-inch rows. So this is about the equivalent of a 6-row factory radiator. Well, no, like a 4-row factory radiator. I didn't do my math right. But it's aluminum. It's got way better heat transfer. It's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna need to get a little bit creative when we do our hoses and we figure out what we're gonna do with our fan. But we need to get hoses and stuff first. So that's about where we're gonna end up for today, and then we'll have to come back when we get a couple hoses, amongst other things. We need a thermostat. We need all kinds of stuff. But hot diggity damn.